6살이고요. 언니들에게 귀여움을 받고 있는 그런 행복한 막내 역할을 맡고 있습니다.
안녕 바이들, 제가 왔습니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 유랑이인데요. 도토리 진짜 짱 많이 얻어서 짱이 돼보겠습니다.
Your love, look is too trivial for you now. Oh, my life is falling apart. Maybe no one will notice if I disappear, but I'll pray for you all the time. If I could be by your side, I'll give you all my life, my seasons. Finding the right
over, that we'd be together soon. But was this
But tonight I think I lost the fun instead. I said that I could get up and